Hi, I just downloaded 3 images from Google. Those images size were in KBs, from 50 to 60 KBs. My cellular network speed was 20 MBs per second. I was waiting for those 3 images to be downloaded, but the downloading was not completing. When I swiped down the notification panel, after 1 hour, I saw the Google notification of 3 images was still in the notification panel and showing up like those are still downloading. Viewers, I just waited for more time, and then when I again swipe down from the top screen to see the notification panel, still there was the Google notification that the 3 images were still downloading. Viewers, how I fixed this problem, that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So viewers, watch this video till then. My name is Azam Anthanoli. Welcome to Get Information and Knowledge YouTube channel. Let's get started. If I swipe down from the top of my smartphone screen, and then you can see these are 3 images which are continuously downloading, and this is the Google notification. You can see that these are 1, 2 and 3 files. These are image files. To fix this problem, what I will do is go to settings and then scroll down and then tap on apps and then again scroll down and find the Google app. I will tap on it. Then I will tap on storage and then tap on the clear cache. After that, I will tap on manage storage and then tap on clear Google search data. Then I will tap on yes. Now viewers, if I go back and then in the notification panel, you can see that the Google notification has now gone. Viewers, hope so you liked this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, Get Information and Knowledge, then don't forget to subscribe and click or tap on the notification bell on all to get the notification of my latest uploaded information and knowledge videos.